Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. In the poem Fire and Ice by Robert Frost, fire stands for heat and passion, that is self growth at the cost of anything or anyone, and ice stands for hatred. The poem Fire and Ice has been centralized on the two human traits, which is passion or desire and hatred or coldness. Stanza 1. The poet is analyzing about the end of the world. The poet provides and deals with two possible causes for the end of the world. He considers the age-old question of whether the world will end in fire or in ice. Both the two reasons contrast each other. They are equally opposite to each other. On one side of the debate are those people who are in favor of fire. They believe that it will be the heat and passion which will lead the humanity, the world to end. On the other side of the debate are those people who favor ice and feel that it will be the ice which will freeze the world. Frost is providing a powerful statement on the subject of greed and jealousy. He is saying that above anything else, even hatred, which is the trait of humanity, is most likely to lead the world to its demise. Stanza 2. The poet is very much sure of the destruction of humanity. He first talks about the destruction caused by fire, and in case this fails, then ice will result into hatred that will end humanity one day. Frost goes on to discuss in a more understated manner the power of hate, which is symbolized in the poem by ice. Hate, according to the speaker, is just as powerful as desire. While desire consumes quickly, hate is just as great and powerful. In fact, by ending the poem with the concept of hate, Frost directs the readers to the shy yet restrained devastation that hate can produce. Hate can occur and linger in people's minds and hearts for years, sometimes even lifetimes. Hate is presented as having the ability to lead to the destruction of the world if it were to happen for a second time, again providing a powerful warning against this human fallacy, that is misunderstanding. The poem gives the message that only love, equality, mutual understanding, and sympathy for one and all can help in establishing peace on the earth.